Okay, presently at the Fries Beach reverse osmosis plant and the Camp Bizard reverse osmosis plant, we're seeing an increase in turbidity of the feed water coming into the plant. Turbidity, generally speaking, is the cloudiness or haziness of the water coming into the plant. At both facilities, we would have seen during the last week or two increased swell events. But usually, after these swell events would have calmed, we would still require an additional 3 to 4 days for the water to settle for us to get improved seawater conditions.
We're seeing early this week sometimes 168, 138, ranging because sometimes the sea conditions vary. The ideal condition would be 5 and below, 5 NTU and below. Presently we're seeing 60. Sometimes we see 168 NTU, 138. When this happens, we have to adjust to produce the quality water that we send out to the public.
On normal operating conditions, when we have that figure of 5 or less, we are able to operate all of the reverse osmosis plants. So as the turbidity gets higher, we would have to reduce production in order to increase our filtration capacity. So the more water we put over the same amount of filter beds will affect the ability to filter that water. So if we don't take precautions and do the necessary actions, what will happen is that we will have high turbidity water getting to the 5 micron filters and also to the RO membranes. This will cause damage to the membranes as they will be fouled. At both facilities, studies would have been done to establish the different methods that can be used to reduce this turbidity issue. So for example, at the Fries Beach reverse osmosis plant, we will be installing some settling tanks. So the water will go into those tanks before going towards the reverse osmosis units. To ease this situation and provide potable water to the customers in these general areas, APA will be providing water from alternate sources. Areas affected in the southern side of the island will be fed from the Bendal's water treatment plant. Areas in the northern side will be fed from the Ivan Rodriguez reverse osmosis plant. In both affected areas, we will be monitoring the quality of the seawater on a daily basis. And as conditions improve, we will make the necessary adjustments to increase our production.